A data challenge a day helps you master machine learning. This is DDC 15. The goal here is to generate two samples of random numbers and then calculate a t-test to see if they are significantly different. So here you see a visualization. This is the first sample and this is the second sample. Both have a sample size of 19. Both are random numbers from a normal distribution. Dataset 1 has a distribution with a mean of 0, standard deviation of 1, and this one over here has a mean of 1 and a standard deviation of 2. Now, you should use the NumPy's random.defaultRNG method using a seed value of 135246. If you use that random seed, you will reproduce my results exactly, perfectly, numerically, and also visually. Here on the x-axis, we just have some random jitters just to make the plot look a little bit nicer so you can see the distribution a little bit better. If you go to my Substack here, then you can scroll down and get the full solution in addition to this funny AI generated image. And now I'm going to walk you through the solution. So we need numpy scipy.stats matplotlib. Here I initialize the random seed using this random seed number. Here I define, so based on this random seed object, I get normally distributed numbers with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. That's data set 1. Here in data set 2 has a mean of 1 and a standard deviation of 2. Here I use the stats.ttest_int for independent samples, ttest to compare the means of these two data sets. And here I'm plotting. This is the little random jitters. You can see this has a mean of 1 and just a very small amount of standard deviation to provide some jitter. And then here is for data set 2. So data 1, data 2 in scatter plots. And then here I'm plotting the means. And then finally, I show in the title of the graph the t-value with the degrees of freedom. Here's the statistic, that's the actual t-value, and here is the p-value. So we can run that. And we produce exactly the same figure with exactly the same numerical results as I showed over here, up here.